watch me elevate.
What is up guys, my name is Kurt and today we are back playing Ronald McDonald's Secret Recipe. And yes, let's try ending this with ending part 2. Okay, and without further ado, here we go. I'm not reading that. Okay, and we are back at McDonald's. And let's try ending this with the ending part 2. Next naman yung ending part 3. Hindi naman natakot dito eh.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
Okay, alam na natin yung objectives dito. Yung second door dun sa sa bathroom, doon natin siya mababaril. Yung pangatlong door, ito naman. Yung 666. Kailangan ng code para ma-open yung pangatlong door doon. Okay. Here we go. Let's open the padlock. Okay. Tignan natin kung matatap ko ito. Wait lang. Let's go. 666. Enter.
We've been tricked, we've been backstabbed, and we've been quite possibly bamboozled.
666 daw eh. Devil's number yan eh. Ayan siya no. Ayan siya no. Ayan siya. Ano. Sige, palag ka. Sige, palag ka. Palag. Palag. Oh. Ay, gagi! Lumalabas na siya. Lo. Binuksan lang natin yung pintuan. Kala ko hindi siya makakalabas eh. Oh, no. Okay, careful lang tayo guys ha. Na. Daredevil ako eh. Risk taker ako dito eh. Matapang naman ako eh. Tignan nyo. Oh, halika dito. Halika dito. Close main door pa eh. Makita pa tayo eh. Shit! Okay, wala na siya. First of all, the lettuce. Tago! Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Okay, let's put the lettuce here. And the patty here. Wait. Nice. And now, the onions. Yes, the onion. We need to find the onion in the bathroom. Ay, ito pala yung onion. Is this the onion? Hey! Gagi! So that was the onion. Mukha namang goma eh. Okay, here's the onion. And ano yung Happy Meal dito? Gagi! Ayun na siya! Ha! Kupal! Hindi ako nakita. Teka eh. Gagi! Hindi ka na tayo dun. Yung price ba ay Happy Meal?
Paano masabi?
Ewan ko, try ko lang ah. Try ko lang. Di ako takot sa'yo. Kung ikaw yung raka-raka version ni Ronald McDonald, syempre matatakot ako sa'yo kasi matay tao yun eh. Killer pa naman yun. Grabe yun pumatay. Okay. Come here, mother-effer. Saan ka na? Saan yun? Here we go. Halika dito. Sige, labas ka. Okay, gagi, nakakalabas na siya. Pinahil kita last time. Ngayon, ewan kung anong gagawin ko sa'yo sa ending na to. Ayan siya. Anything here? Pwede ka pala magtago dito. Anything here? Gagi, ayan na siya. Pwede ka magtago. Tignan mo no, ang tanga-tanga niyo no. Okay, mukhang mamamatay tayo dito kasi kukuha natin yung cover. Ayan, 666. Ayan na natin. Ay, ito. 13875. Kala ko 666 yung ano eh. Keep in mind, ito yung yung passcode niya. 13875. I think we're dead. Oh yeah, kill me, bitch. Okay, 13875. 13875, 13875. And yung code kala ko ano, yung devil's number yung code. Okay, ano mangyayari dito guys? 13875. Enter. The second ending. Ay gagi. Gagi! Tayo naman yung binaril. Ayos ka. Ay gago. So that was the bad ending. The first ending is the good ending and that is the bad ending. So, ewan ko ano yung second ending, yung third ending dito. Pero ngayon, i-end na natin to. The third ending, no more part 3, okay? Madali lang pala ito eh. Hayop ka talaga, Ronald. Binaril mo na ako. Papasabogin mo pa ako ng ganada. Hayop ka talaga. Babawi ako sa'yo. Yung third ending. Pag nalaman ko lang yung third ending nito, yawi ka na. Pangit ng audio ko nung last video. Ngayon, tignan ko lang kung maganda pa yung audio ko. Maganda din yung audio ko pala. Putik. Sheesh! Bulaga! Wag ako, bitch. Wag ako, bitch. Okay. Onions! 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 Ayun siya, no? Diyan! Tago! Putik! Ayop ka talaga, pe! Tikan na ako dun. Diyan ba siya? Wala na. Okay. The puppy goes in here. And the lettuce goes to the second one. I mean the third one. And now we need a crowbar and this Happy Meal, I guess. Psych! Lika dito! 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 Kunin mo yung crowbar! Bilis! Kunin mo yung crowbar! Okay lang, mamatay tayo. Crowbar! 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 Ah, shitay! Hello? The good thing is, we found the crowbar. And the dumb thing is, pinalayas lang tayo, hindi tayo pinatay. Ah! Gagi. Lika dito, labas ka dito, labas ka dito, bro. Labas ka dito. And the problem is, ewan ko kung mahanap natin yung Happy Meal kasi kailangan dalang Happy Meal eh. Close mo yan. Close mo yan, close mo yan, close mo yan. Ito na. Let's go. Open. Open the goddamn door. Shit, ay, nandiyan na siya.
5 minutes later.
Oh, ito pala yung Happy Meal. Here we go. Putik na yun, no? Okay, kill me now. So, I was wrong. Ito pala yung Happy Meal. Kala ko yung burger yung i-insert natin dun eh. Okay, I was a dumb idiot. Halika dito. Sige, lakas ka lang. Uncle Bake kita. Okay, come on, come on. Nag-glitch siya, go. Ayan na, ayan na. Halika dito. Come here, bitch. Come here. Oh, Uncle Bake, tanga-tanga mo. Dito ako, tanga. Okay. Close the door. Put the Happy Meal here. And the door is finally... Get that shit off of me. And the door is finally open. That's right. Okay, ice cream, rice, cup. Another code, I guess. Ah, okay. What in the actual hell is this? Makita ba tayo? I think, pwede ba tayo magtago? No. Okay. Ano yun? Ano yan, lettuce? Okay, we need a cup, an ice cream, and a fries. Ewan ko, mabubuksan ba to? Gagi, nag-glitch siya, bro. Tanga, nandito ako.
Ginagawa mo!
Teka, pag binuksan natin yung pinto na to. Hindi na tayo. Magtitipan lang natin siya, no? We're gonna put the device in here and find the ice cream. There's the ice cream. And the cup. I don't know ano yung tsura pa ng cup na yun. Ooh, cup. We're dead. Ay, ito yung cup, no? There we go. Finally, just in time. Sige, dito ka. Uncle Bake. Let's go. Close the door. Hide. Okay. Here we go, finally open. Oh! So, that's yung... Kaya pala may mga dugo dito. Ito yung biktima niya. Human means found. Or mines. Close the door. Okay. Same code pa ba yun? Natin na. 13875. 13875. Kawawa yung babae dun, no? Shit spice found. Ha? Anong shit spice? Anong sasabi na ito? Sabi daw? Shit spice. Okay, the only thing that we need to find is, I don't know, probably nasa bathroom siya.
Years later.
In the trash. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Okay, another interaction. Blood sauce. Go to your car. So, kompleto ng objectives? I think we did. We didn't complete the objectives. Let's go! Finally! Okay, bye-bye. Iwan na kita dito. Kung may ganada na ako or basuka pasabugin ko na tong restaurant mo putik ka Ay mo ka talaga, babawiin kita ng buhay. Okay. Finally, after 13 minutes of recording, it's time. This is the third ending. And gagi, abulin pa tayo. Bagay mo! Bang! Mo, putik yan! Let's go! Start. Boom! Sakabi mo ng abe! Let's go! Pinasabong natin yung restaurant niya. Let's go! And there you have it. Ronald McDonald's secret recipe. Woo! 30 minutes na ako nag-recording. Gagi, ngayon ko lang na-notice yun. Paano natin manonotice yun? Kung nasa basuhan lang pala yung blood sauce, putik na yan. Halos 20 minutes na ako naghahanap sa last objective. Nandun lang pala sa basuhan. Paano talaga natin manonotice yun? Ngayon ko lang talaga na-notice. Buti na lang pumunta ako sa basuhan. Tinignan natin yung basuhan para hanapin yung clue, yung last objective. Nandun lang pala. Gagi. Okay. Okay guys, sana na-enjoy niyo yung video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming videos. More horror games coming soon para sa channel na to. So stay tuned for more gaming videos. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. And as always, I'll see you next time. Peace.